For those of you, if you're thinking about quitting, listen to me. You're not just quitting on yourself and on your dreams, but you're quitting on the people that needs and depend on you to succeed. Your parents, your spouse, your kids, to give them the life that they deserve. At the age of 18 till I was 23, that is where I live. It feels extremely good to come back because obviously, kind of knowing where you start and then where you are now, definitely humbling, man. So for anyone that start from the bottom, I feel you, I know where you're coming from, but let me tell you this, if you have the work ethic, the determination, and the willpower, anything is possible, my friend. The question is, are you gonna commit to your goals and to your dreams? All right, it's been a long time. I think over 30 days. We've been waiting for this day. So today we're here at Chicago Title signing the paperwork for a purchase to surprise Lon's mom for her brand new house. What's your name again? Shay. Shay. Happy Friday. Yes. You ready, Lon? Shay, let's make this short, sweet, and easy for you. Yes. But since the whole time that we had COVID, it was extremely bad. Me and my family went through a really rough 2 months. It's time, and we decided she got up from it, boom, went late at night. It was like 9:30 p.m. Drove around, found a house, called the agent up and said, we want to buy it. And he said, well, you know what, the house is not even done, and I gotta talk to the builder. We're like, you know what, doesn't matter what price, we just want the house. Lon couldn't even sleep last night because she wants to. She's obviously girls, they love decorating, shopping. Lon has to buy something every single day. Like every single day, she has to buy something. Whatever it is, whether have to go to Costco, food co-op, or she always shop online every single day. I don't know how she does it. I mean, I would run out of things to buy. I love this island. I mean, Lon's mom is living way more badass than I am. My house doesn't even have this. My house has like the ghetto. Dude, my house still have the blue carpet, the granite that is completely outdated. So her mom is living like a pimp daddy. All right, let me give you guys a quick tour. Obviously, this is the living room. Nice color laminate. We actually choose out the laminate color since we bought this house before the builder complete the construction. So our plan is we're gonna put, well, you guys gonna see the final results here, but the couch is gonna go here. It's gonna come out here. Here's the fireplace. I wonder if it worked. No, that's the light. I don't know, I don't even know how it worked. But so this house is the 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,600 square feet. Bedroom number 1. So this is the master bedroom. This is where her mom's gonna stay. Nice big windows. Obviously she's living like a badass. She got 2 sinks, so maybe one to wash her face and one to wash her feet. Dude, man, look at her shower, dude. So here's the bathroom. If you drop too much bomb in the bathroom, and obviously get the little fresh air. Nice walk-in closet. I mean, this is Lon's mom's dream. And I don't think she would ever imagine that she would actually own a house. So we're buying this, we're giving it to her, so it's her house. So I don't think she would ever imagine of being 85 and now she's able to own a house. But we figure, you know what, we gotta get her own place. So that's just a closet. So here's 3rd bedroom. This is probably gonna, yeah, this is the 3rd one. This is probably like an office, but you can turn this into a room. Obviously, you might need to put in a different kind of door. When I first got into real estate, I didn't know any of these terms. Like I didn't know this is called trim, all right? I didn't know that this is drywall. And 2-car garage, pretty simple. So if you want to sell and get the max amount of value for your house, obviously the 2 biggest thing is kitchen and bathrooms. Like you gotta deck those out. And we all know it, the person that buys the house is the wife, right? They make the decision, they make the call, right? Us guys, we just want a caveman, right? We just want something that when they get mad that we can crawl in and kind of do our thing. You know, before when I got into real estate, I didn't even know that this is called a range hood. And a little backstory for those of you who don't know, You know, I was born and raised in Vietnam, came to America at the age of 9, and I remember when we first came to America, I didn't even know what a refrigerator is. And I remember my family, you know, we're like running up to the fridge and we open it and we're like, holy smoke, it's cold, it got food in there. So we first came to America, we landed in Lansing, Michigan. First time my whole family saw snow, all right? We talk about snow in Vietnam, but never know what it is. So when we were about to go, everybody said, oh my God, let us know what it's like to have snow and all of that. So first time seeing snow, first time seeing a refrigerator, obviously carpet. First time seeing carpet, because back in my country, you know, it's always like up in the high 80s in the winter, summer gets up over to 100, so there's no such thing as carpet. Man, coming from all the way from a mud hut to now buying a house for Lon's mom is definitely a dream come true for us as well. And couldn't have done this without God. Been blessed a lot, and now just, you know, trying to help and give back to the family and the community. So I can't wait to see what her expression would be, man, or her reaction.
Biết không? Thằng mẹ thường vậy đó. Mày biết nha.
Lon's asking her, does she know who house this
Mẹ biết
belongs
nhà này của ai
to?
không?
She said she don't.
Chị Phá nè. Con mua nhà này cho mẹ đó.
Rộng rãi.
Yep.
Mẹ thích
Sáng
không?
xuống, mày thấy sáng xuống không?
Một lát nó lợi nó clean cái kiến nè.
She's shocked. As you guys can see her expressions, I already know what it's gonna be
I
like.
don't know why I turned this thing on.
Tờ lấy riêng của mẹ nè.
Vài bữa nó bỏ cái đầu tắm vô. Nó bỏ cái cửa vô, cái cửa nó chưa xong.
The most important thing for her is having her own bathrooms.
Mẹ không có thầm nhìn chụp hình hoài vậy.
She's asking why is there cameras and why these guys keep on taking pictures. So you gave her the key already?
Yep, the
Okay.
pink key.
Okay, so.
She already put it in her pocket. Asian.
Did you already
Yeah,
hold
the
her?
expression, no expression.
Mua cho mẹ đó, nhà mẹ đó.
Okay.
This means so much to me, and the reason why is because, you know, Lon and I, obviously we met when we were 18. At that time, you know, my family on my family side didn't really accept us because she's Buddha and I'm Catholic, so they don't accept us being together. And her mom basically opened her arms wide, brought me into the family, allowed me to be with Lon, and allowed me, obviously us living together, and giving us a place to stay at that time. Dead broke, right? And Lon and I was just trying to figure out life, and obviously financially struggles hard. I also lost my job, so got no money. So she was allowed us just to stay there and then to figure our life out. So for us being able to give back to her like this, man, it's absolutely a blessing. And yeah, man, start from bottom and now we're here. Let's rock and roll. I'm sure we all want to make a lot of money, not for the sake of making a lot of money, but it provides us freedom and it allows us to do things like this for our family. Now this is a dream come true for her, but it's also a dream come true for us. This is something the wife been wanting to do for a while now, and just being able to be in a place where we can actually do this, especially for her mom, is so humbling, and we're so blessed. The receiver is not the one that is blessed. It's the one that is giving. It's the giver that is the one that is blessed. So being in a financial situation where you can do this and it doesn't affect you, that, my friend, is a blessing. Because that, my friend, God has gave you the power for you to make a difference in other people's life.